Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the new Monkey Bunch summer update. So over here they added water balloons that you can throw. And they also added a cooler. It says Monkey Bunch and it has a bunch of drinks. And over here they have sandboxes around the map, and they have more of water balloons. And over here is a sandbox that you can pick up these. I don't know why it's not showing it, but over here, scattered around the map as well are pools with a bunch of decorations at the side, and yeah. So they're all around the map. There's one over there and one over there. Also one there. And you'll find water balloons around the map, a bunch of decorations. And now to the cosmetics. So there's also a few decorations in shop like these, and there's also water balloons here in shop, and the Pride cosmetics have moved, and now they're over here, and they also added new rotating. So this is back, and this is back, and this is actually new. Over here's the new bundle, and it comes with all these different cosmetics. And it also comes with 3,500 crystals. And these are all the cosmetics you can buy using crystals. Also, the capture the flag stuff is still here. They removed the forest bundle, and the supporter pack is still over here. That's all. Bye!